unforgettable night. I thought it would be just another empty sky, but then the bells rang, soft and sweet. We danced like souls that were destined to meet. You held my gaze while sipping your wine. I knew in that moment you were already mine. The world stood still, no one else in the room, just candlelight glow and your smile in bloom. Baby, baby, the bells ring for us, pure and gentle notes of love and trust. Through the years I still hear that sound, the velvet jazz where our hearts were found, where our hearts were found. Time has flown, but the moment remains. Your smile, your eyes carved deep in my veins. Every chime takes me back